So now we'll do the third certification project, technical documentation page. This is one of the required projects during your certifications. For this project, you will build a technical doc page to serve as instruction reference for a topic. Functioning similar to this. So it will look like this. Okay. So I'm just gonna do the standard boilerplate. Doc type HTML, HTML, and then we'll create a head and a body. On the head, I'll put the usual the cars head calls UTF-8. Put the meta aim viewport content equals width equals device dash width initial dash scale equals 1.0. Put a link to the HTML to the CSS, so that's row equals style sheet and href equals styles.css. Put a title JS documentation title. So I'm just copying this. You can see I'm an element with the corresponding ID. So in the body, we'll put a main element, and the ID is main dash doc. Within the main doc element, you can see several section elements. Class of main section. So put section class equals main dash section. Should be minimum of 5. So let's put at least 5 sections right here. Okay. For first element within each main section should be a header element. So for each should be a header element. Which contains this topic of that section. So put topic 1, I guess. Topic 3, topic 4, topic 5. Each section element within should also have an ID corresponds with the text. Okay. Each section element with the class of main section should also have an ID. Okay. Pick 1. I guess put that. Topic 2, topic 3, 4, topic 5. Okay. Any space should be replaced with underscore section it contains. Okay. Main section element should contain at least 10 p elements total, not each. So probably 2 each. Okay, so put that in under the headers. Under the header, under the header, under the header. Okay. And then main section elements should contain at least 5 code elements total, not each. Code. Code element. Okay. Code HTML function. So it look like that. Just gonna copy that in each after each paragraph. Main section should contain at least 5 li items total, not each. Okay, so put it here somewhere. I'll just put ul and then li sample list. P oh, I'm missing one. You can see a nav element with the corresponding ID navbar. I'll put it here below. Nav ID equals nav dash bar. No, nav bar. Close the nav. Should contain one header element. The topic of the technical documentation. Topic of JS. That's here. Navbar should contain a link in the class of navlink. Calls navlink. There should be one for every element with the class main section. Navbar should contain link elements with the class of navlink. Should be one for every element with the class main section. So the topics. Topic 1. 3, 2, 4, 5. The header element in the navbar must come before any link elements. So I have the links here. Is this right? I don't have an href. Maybe later. Each element within the class of navlink should contain text that corresponds to the header text with each section. So if you have a hello world section, so yeah, I have it. When you click on a navbar element, the page should navigate to the corresponding section of the main doc. Okay, so href equals topic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not sure if this is right. Okay, I think it works. On regular side, the element with ID number should be shown on the left side of the screen. Be visible to the user. One media query. I think that's a CSS thing. ID navbar should be shown on the left side of the screen. I don't know, position. Sticky, probably. Just trying. Let's use one media query. Add media max dash width 760p 760 px. Put the nav mean. Put the mean section. Mean dash section to have a background dash color of black. That works. Right. Let's run the test. Okay, so I got this. Each main section should have an ID. Each main section should have an ID that matches the text. Like this. Each main section should have an ID that matches the text of its first child, which is this. Having any spaces in the child's text replaced with underscores. I'll do that later. List 1A element with the class of navlink. Nav-link. Try again. Alright. Each navlink should have a text corresponds to the header. Text of its related section. So if you have hello sex, your navbar should have a navlink and text hello world. That's what I have. Navlink should have a href. Okay. Each main section element should have an ID. Should make it capital. probably some. Section, header, send of the first section. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna create 5 more sections like it. Didn't work. Oh, the header should be here, I think. Okay, one more. It's the bug in my code. Change this to topic 2, topic 3, 4, 5, 5. Let's see if that works. Okay, that worked. Although each nav link should have an href attribute that links to. Should be topic underscore on 5, 4, 3, 2. I think this should work. Nice. Done. Third certification project.